The ShiroBliss makes Shirodhara as simple to administer as it is blissful to receive. It is elegant and easy to use. First, pour oil into the lower bowl. The system needs only 2 cups of oil. Additional oil may be needed depending on your client's hair. Next, turn on the pump and the heater switches. The oil will begin to warm and circulate through the hose to the copper bowl and back. Adjust the valve to about 1/3 open. The location of the valve allows the flow to be adjusted silently and without disturbing the upper bowl at all. Choose the desired target temperature to the exact degree. No need to guess or approximate as you would with a dial-controlled system. The circulating oil will warm the entire system so that once the therapy starts, the client feels only the temperature that's right for them. Warm-up takes about 12 minutes. To begin the therapy, the copper bowl is lifted from the lower bracket. Using tubing to deliver oil to the copper bowl gives the practitioner complete freedom over where and how the flow is applied. The Shiro pillow provides a comfortable place for the client's head and an easy recirculation path. The design of the hanger eliminates unwanted swinging but still allows for freedom of movement. When the bowl is hung from the horizontal armature, the oil will fall to one location. The therapist is now free to tend to the comfort and healing of the client. The ShiroBliss will hold the desired temperature and recirculate the oil for the entire treatment. The height of the ShiroBliss is fully adjustable, allowing for a minimum fall of oil into the lower bowl and the correct height of the upper bowl above the client. For a single practitioner, these heights need only be adjusted once. At the end of the therapy, the copper bowl is hung back on the lower bracket. The pump and heat are turned off. If desired, excess oil can be wiped from the Shiro pillow and the ShiroBliss rolled out of the way on its casters. Typically, the client is given a short head massage and hair is wrapped in an absorbent towel. To clean the system, drain out as much oil as possible, then flush out with a small amount of clean oil. Some practitioners briefly circulate alcohol through the system, then flush the alcohol out with the clean oil. You'll find that the ShiroBliss is a safe, reliable, and valuable tool to deliver amazing Shirodhara therapies.